In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Messenger call automatically ends problem. So if you're trying to call on Messenger but it keeps automatically ending, there might be various reasons behind it. The main reason might be the poor internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. Sometimes the problem might be caused because of the app cache. So in that case, what you have to do is launch up an app library on your device, find this application for Messenger and long press on it. Now tap on the option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see at the third. Now you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your phone. Sometimes there might be some glitches in the phone itself. So in that case, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After that, the temporary issues will be fixed and you should be able to call on Messenger without it ending. But still, if your problem is not fixed, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Messenger. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Messenger and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now after that, try calling on Messenger. Your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, it might be because you haven't granted the necessary permissions to the Messenger. So for that, what you have to do is launch open app library on your device. Find the application for Messenger and long press on it. Now tap on the option app info that you can see on the screen. Now over here, what you have to do is find the option for permissions. Once you do that, tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the permissions that you've granted to the Messenger app. Make sure to grant the permission for camera and microphone. So for that, what you have to do is tap on the option camera. Now after you do that, tap on this option allow only while using the app that you can see on the screen. Now go back. Likewise, what you have to do is tap on the option microphone. Likewise, tap on this option allow only while using the app that you can see on the screen. Now after the permission is granted, try calling on Messenger and your problem should be solved. Now the call should not end automatically. So that is how you fix Messenger call automatically ends problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.